is a kind of extreme stress to society and parental pressures. Students have an expectation they have to live up in order to fulfill and satisfy the needs of their society and parents. And with this comes the stress. Stress can be expressed through students' mental and physical.
We talk at this point of time after we had this marathon function of felicitation of 344 brilliant students. As I was giving the tokens, I was saying to myself, this hall, St. Xavier's Ark, is packed today with 344 future intellectual giants of the state of Goa. And I was wondering, what about their security? Thank God, the police inspector of Apsa Police is here to ensure that all our future intellectual giants are safe in this hall. My first word is of deep appreciation for the laudable achievements of St. Xavier's High Secondary School, for the brilliant results and for the laurels that you as students have achieved in the last year. I congratulate all of you, and as I congratulate you, the brilliant students, I realize that these good results are the fruit of the collaborative efforts and self-sacrificing work that has been put in by the staff, and therefore my hearty congratulations to the principal, Dr. Elvis, the two vice principals, the manager, past managers, present managers, and to you, all the staff members who are seated here, and also to the members of the PTA.